So in this video, Barbara O'Neill was saying that wheat, dairy, refined sugar, alcohol are like kerosene to a fire. Wow. Okay. Well, when it comes to gut, right, gut health, if you guys are having bad gut, right, let me show you what is the bad gut symptoms, okay? So if you have all this, okay, bad gut, okay, like a lot of gas, and then gas pain, bloated stomach, poor digestion, and sometimes low abdominal pain or diarrhea or constipation. I tell you, in the past, right, when I have bad gut health, right, I'm always getting food poisoning. I was like thinking, why am I always getting food poisoning? And I have so much gas in my stomach, right? And then my stomach is always very bloated, right? So, okay, then I realized, right, it's because I eat a lot of wheat because I'm eating cakes every day, cheesecake every day, sugar, okay, because I have coffee in my sugar and cakes every day I have sugar. And then I do drink alcohol back then because I was so stressed back then. So I drink a lot of alcohol in my 20s and 30s, and that's why I end up with a big tummy. All right, so how I improve my gut, right, is because I started to eat healthily, much more conscious about what I put in my body, right? Because your body is like a temple, right? And we only got one temple, okay? So, I decided to improve the way I eat. Basically, I cut off sugar, but I still eat some sugar like once a month, okay? But I still eat rice as per normal. I find that Asians can digest rice better than wheat, flour, all those things, okay? We cannot eat too much white stuff like cakes, cookies, bread, because we are not built that way to eat, to digest, okay? So that's why if you are suffering from bad gut, right, and you're having IBS or you cannot poo-poo every day, right, relook at your diet. I have clients who just eat sugar every day, like practically like she don't eat much rice. She eat like barbecue food, and she eat bread all the time. She don't eat much vegetables and fruits, right? And then she don't drink enough water as well. And then as a result, right, she put on weight so easily, and she couldn't even sleep well as well. So can you see, if you have bad gut health, right, it will affect your sleep as well. Let me tell you more about it. You see, if you have bad gut, right, health, right, your hormones, your immune system also won't function well, and you will get sick. Okay, let me tell you more about bad gut health. You will have sleep issues, you can't even sleep well, and you have sugar cravings, and you have skin rashes and allergies, and you have unexplained fatigue or sluggishness, autoimmune problems such as thyroid issues and type 1 diabetes. So that's why I decided to improve my gut and start to really relook at my diet. Let me tell you more. If you have a healthy gut, right, it will contribute to a stronger immune system, and you have good heart health and brain health. Right now, a lot of people, maybe, if I'm not wrong, if I read correctly, 1 out of 10, right, of people above 60 may suffer from dementia. So can you see that your gut health is so important, right? You also help to improve mood, healthy sleep, effective digestions, and prevention of some cancer and autoimmune diseases. So if you're interested to learn how to improve your gut, right, and having clear skin, and improve your immune system, right, having good health, heart health, brain health, improve moods, healthy sleep, right, I recommend to you my supplements, because my supplements, right, have all the vitamins, all the probiotics, prebiotics that we need, and you have to improve your skin as well, right, reduce pigmentations, and it also give you that collagen on your skin. On top of that, right, it helps to improve all these things, right, because we are not eating healthily. If you look at our diet, right, for Singaporean, especially for our like if you eat nasi lemak, the cucumber is only 1 or 2. There's not enough vegetables and fruits, to be frank, okay? And we are not eating enough probiotics. If you look at Korean diet, right, probiotics is everywhere. Probiotic vegetables before you eat your meat, okay? So we don't, our food, right, in Singapore does not really have balanced diet. If you're talking about like how many food that you should eat, right, to having this healthy gut, right, let me tell you. So the best superfood for gut health, right, is leafy greens. Leafy greens are powerful prebiotic and are high in vitamin C, K, B complex, folic acid, beta carotene, iron, iodine, calcium, potassium, right? And we need asparagus, oats, leeks, Greek yogurt, apples, gingers. But many of us, right, are really eating enough just to get this great gut health. So so if you're interested to know more, you can DM me directly, right, and ask for the information of the supplements that I'm taking, right, and it'll help you to improve your instantly, right. The first thing when you take my supplements, right, instantly you'll feel mentally alert. Okay, you'll get rid of your brain fog. If you have long COVID symptoms, right, you constantly have phlegm, all these things, but after taking that supplements, wow, clear my phlegm. All right, and then also, right, my gut health has improved so much. Okay, so, and I really have this brain clarity and my heart health, because I'm known to the doctor did mention that you have slow heart rate, right? I'm like, okay, I have no idea until I'm 43 years old when I check my heart. Okay, I actually did a yearly checkup every year, but nobody told me that I have a slow heart rate until 43 years old. You know what I mean? So can you see? So yeah, so that's why if you guys are having leaky gut, right, and you want to improve your gut health, you want to improve your skin, right, DM me more about the superfood that I'm taking. Okay guys, they are all plant-based, and the collagen are fish-based. All right, and they're all from US. And so DM me more for more information. I'll see you also in my next video.